Welcome back to a new video. Today I have something special for you all. Discord has released a new addition to their developer portal. Now bot developers can add up to 2,000 custom emojis which the bot can use anywhere, if it has the right permissions of course, for completely free. Today I'm going to be giving you a quick tour of this feature and how you can use them in your Discord bots and apps. If you run into any problems, please join our Discord community, which you can find linked in the description. And if you have any ideas for future videos, make sure to leave a comment below. Without further ado, hop into the Discord developer portal at discord.dev, select applications on the left, and pick an existing app, or if you're new, be sure to check out my previous videos on getting started. It will be linked in the description and in the video cards. Now if you look to the left again, you should see the Emojis tab. This is where we'll be able to upload our custom emojis that the bot can use for completely free. If you just want to make a simple command to send a specific emoji that the bot has stored, I will show you how to do that later in the video. Let's use this simple checkmark for an example. Hit the upload emoji button and select our emoji. Now you can rename the emoji as you like. Just make sure you use only alphanumeric characters and underscores in this name. You will also see that it shows the username of whoever uploaded the emoji and the emoji ID. At the far right of each emoji, you will have the option to copy the markdown. The markdown, in other words, is the text you use to send the emoji with your bot. Use this anywhere that text is accepted in your Discord bot, and it will insert the emoji in its place. This is what will allow us to send the emoji with our Discord bot. Let's go back to our simple Discord bot starter code from the second video in my bot programming series, which you can find linked below, and add a simple command that will send our emoji as a reply. We can now copy one of the existing commands, name an emoji for this example, and set a description to replies with custom emoji. Now that we have modified our ping command to be an emoji command, we also must deploy it to Discord when the bot starts. Client.application.commands.create emoji. Then go back to the response section and add a new if statement that checks if the command's name is emoji. If so, it will reply with our custom emoji code. Go back to the developer portal and copy the markdown for the emoji once more so that we can put it into the response function. Now stop the bot if it is currently running with Control and C, and then start it again with no DON, so we can test out our new command. There we go, the bot has logged in, and if we check Discord, there's a new command. Let's run it, and sure enough it works. I know this was a more basic tutorial, but I do have a lot of big plans for this new Discord feature that I will show you all very soon. So have fun messing around with this for now and stay tuned. Make sure to like and subscribe if you like this content and would like to see more like it. And as always, have a nice day.